The Elabli Pro Vegetable Chopper with 8 blades. I've been looking for something to help me make salads because I'm trying to watch my trim ballerina-like figure. And this was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. So let's open this up and see what we get inside of here. Looking forward to this. I'm going to use this on salads. All right, let's take a look at all the stuff we got here with this thing. Quite a bit. So we have the actual basket itself here, and it comes with a strainer that you can sit in there if you wanted to. And basically, you've got a lid right here that sits on top. And these devices can be interchanged through here. So let's go through a few of these. We've got a glove on here because the blades on here are really sharp, so you're going to want to be careful on that, obviously. And one of the biggest pains I've always had is cleaning these things out. So they give you a little brush here to help you clean out the blades. And it's got a smaller brush and then a larger, kind of looks like a toothbrush. Help you clean that out. Basically, we have a 14 millimeter by 14 millimeter dicing blade here. Great for cucumbers and so forth. You just set this inside of here, put your stuff in there, and go to town. Here, we're gonna have to try this out. We have a 7 millimeter by 7 millimeter dicing blade. Great for all kinds of stuff. This also comes with an egg white filter. Crack an egg right in here and filter out the egg whites. That's pretty cool. That comes with it, a hand protector. We have 4 different blades that come in their own little case right here and each sit in their own little slots. Actually, right here on the top, it comes with a mashing blade. It sits right here on the top, and this can be taken out. Also, it has 2 little clips on here, so it's easy just to clip back in there. The potato lattice blade right here, if you wanted to use that, you would just slip that in there. We have a 2 millimeter slicing blade right there, great for cucumbers, carrots, all kinds of stuff. We have a 3 millimeter shredding blade, great for radishes, carrots, whatever you want to use it for. And we have a 4 millimeter shredding blade, great for lettuces, all kinds of stuff there. Boy, so many options. And when you're done and you get them all cleaned out, they go back in the case here and they store very nicely and neatly. Cool thing about a 10-in-1 device like this is you can do all kinds of things with it. You can julienne, shred, chop, slice, dice, grate, everything in one spot. And when you're done with everything, you can actually pack it all up inside of here with the exception of the glove in this piece. I can fit everything inside of here and it looks like it's easy to store away. So if you're looking to cut down on your kitchen prep time, maybe your salad prep time, check out this Elabli 10-in-1 vegetable chopper with 8 blades, egg yolk, all kinds of stuff. Check it out.